Yoga Plus. Download now for free.
My name is Yiana, and today I will be taking you through Surya Namaskar A, or Sun Salutations. Sun Salutations is a great way to begin your day or begin the start of your practice, whether you're doing a flow or just a quick morning routine that you're looking to start. So we'll begin in Tadasana. Feet together, arms at your side, your big toes touching, and your thighs up and back. And draw your pelvis toward your heels for proper alignment. And close your eyes and take a few breaths here. And on your next inhale, you'll reach your arms up to the sky, palms together, and look up toward your palms. Keep your neck relaxed so it's comfortable. And take a few breaths here. If you're doing this in the morning, it's a great start of the day to kind of arch your back and wiggle your hips from side to side. A nice warm up, and you can even draw your neck back a little. If you slept wrong, get all the kinks out, can feel really good. And take one more breath here. And on your exhale, you're gonna put your arms out to your side and swan dive forward into a forward fold. Can be helpful to grab behind the calves to get a deeper stretch. Or you're welcome to bring your hands onto the floor so they're flat. And just take a few breaths and sink into this forward fold. Try to relax your neck so your head feels comfortable. And on an inhale, bring your fingertips to the floor so you can realign the spine. Bringing it into neutral and gaze forward. You can realign your pelvis by drawing it back to your heels. Kind of play with your palms and press them down to get a nice stretch in the arms. And on your exhale, you'll step your right foot back, and then your left coming into your first plank. Feels nice to rock back and forth and get a nice stretch while you're in your plank. Bring the toes forward and bring them back. You can play with the wrists, put some pressure on them. And just take a few breaths here. You'd like a straight line from the crown of your head to your toes, and your shoulders right over your wrist. And on your next exhale, you'll drop down into Chaturanga, bringing your elbows over your wrist, or you're welcome to come to your knees if that's more comfortable for you. And on your inhale, come up to your upward dog. Get a nice back bend. And if upward dog isn't comfortable for you, you're welcome to bring your entire body onto the floor, palms underneath your shoulders, and lift up like this if that's an easier stretch for the back. And if you're coming from here, you can come up back to your knees and get into your first downward dog like this. Or if you're coming straight from Chaturanga, up dog, and gently roll over your toes straight back into downward dog. And stay here for a few breaths. You can pedal the feet out. Kind of move side to side, getting the hip flexors warmed up. Sun salutations is a great way to start the day. I like to face the sun when I do it. It's a moving meditation. You sink into the poses and relax in the movements in between. Can feel really nice to start the day. We'll stay here for 5 more breaths. And you want to sink your heels down as much as possible. But if you can't, it's totally okay to bend the knees like this. And as you continue your practice, you'll slowly be able to draw your heels closer to the floor. And 2 more breaths. On your next breath, you will step your hands forward, back into halfway lift. And just take a breath here, realign the spine. And on your next exhale, you'll come back into your forward fold. Wrapping the arms around the calves to get a deeper stretch. You'll slowly come back up into upward salute, lifting the arms, looking toward the palms. And I like ending my sun salutation, bringing my hands into prayer. So we'll run through Surya Namaskar A a couple more times, and we'll do the traditional 1 breath, 1 movement to kind of get the meditative aspect of it. So we're going to start in Tadasana with palms at heart center. This is Anjali Mudra. Take a breath, and on your inhale, you'll bring your arms to your side and lift up into upward salute. Exhale, swan dive down into your forward fold. On your inhale, lift your heart forward, coming to the tips of your fingers. And you'll exhale, step back into your plank, knees or chaturanga, the traditional way down. Come back up into up dog on an inhale. And exhale back into downward dog. And we'll stay here for 5 breaths. Just sink into your downward dog. This posture can be restful for you. Kind of has a calming effect, bringing your head below your heart. And 2 more breaths. And on your next breath, you will step your feet forward, back into your halfway lift. Extending the spine, bringing it back into neutral. And on your exhale, you'll forward fold back down. You're welcome to bring the hands behind the calves for a deeper forward fold. On an inhale, rise all the way back up into upward salute. And exhale, hands to the heart in Anjali Mudra. And just rest in stillness here for a second. You're welcome to close your eyes, kind of take it all in. And we'll run through this one more time, and you'll slowly bring your hands back up. And swan dive back into your forward fold. Inhale, straighten the spine, bring it back into neutral. And exhale, step your feet back into plank. and into your Chaturanga Dandasana. On your inhale, roll over your toes, bringing your heart forward. And exhale back into your downward dog. We'll stay here for a few breaths. Taking in the meditative state that Surya Namaskar brings. And we'll take 2 more breaths here. And on your next inhale, step your feet back forward in between your palms, coming into your halfway lift. And on your exhale, back into your forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, lifting your arms into upward salute. Exhale, hands to the heart, Anjali Mudra. Thank you for sharing your morning Surya Namaskar A practice with me, and gratitude to yourselves and to this practice and to your body for the work that it did this morning. Namaste.
This is day 1 of my 30-day yoga challenge. We're going to progress through some intermediate and advanced postures and just address overall wellness and stress reduction. Be proud of yourself.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.